Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the phone number authentication with OTP using the Firebase in React Native. So let's start the tutorial. So I will explain each and everything how we are going to make this code, right? So let me connect to the AnyDesk at the moment. Is it connected? No. Let me connect this AnyDesk. So this is basically a phone sign-in tutorial. So you can see that we have a phone number. So let me refresh it and let's see, reload this. Okay, so let me add my mobile number here. Okay, so let's get the code. So code, they have asking for the code. It is flashing from the top. It is automatically sign in now. You can see that 98555 is signing now, and you can see that the OTP at the top. OTP at the top is coming. You can see that the OTP for the verification code is coming. So it auto sign in, and it is now we can sign out at the same moment. So we have added the auto addition of the code to auto detect the code, and it will give you the, you can also add here the confirm code. If I have right now, the code is 248, that is 248. Okay, and what next? 027 confirm code. If I'm going to confirm the code, so is there error coming over here? Invalid code. Okay, it says it is invalid because currently I haven't sent the OTP. So let me go back and add the phone number. So let's add the mobile number here. So let's remove the previous code. Okay, so let me add this code. Let me remove the previous one also. So it is get code. After getting this code, it is automatically sign in. You can see that here code is not triggered right now. So when it is triggered, it will automatically sign in. Oh, the phone number is wrong. There is one digit missing. So this is the thing. Okay, get code. So it take hardly 2 4 seconds to come the code. Can we reload this? Now it is signed in, and the code is generated. Okay, so we are going to implement this one. So let's how we are going to do it. So we have, we can also use my another one also at the same. Let's go and check what are the process to follow up this. Okay, so first of all you need the Firebase account. So let me go to the Firebase account. So let you have to create a Firebase account here. So you need to add the project. So here you need to add the project name, any of the project name, that is test I'm adding. So just continue with it. Okay, enable it, select the account default, create project. So it take hardly 1 to 4 seconds. Now it's done. Okay, done. Continue. Okay, now you have to go with the this Android icon. Same with the iOS. Here you need to add the package name. So I already told you how to get the package name of that one. So you have to go to the terminal. Okay, Control Shift T. So we have the code for the terminal, how to get one, this one. So let me add it over here. So this is where it is. So this is the code for getting the package name. So you can enter this command. Then if the package is not installed, then you need to do this. You will get the you will get the uh, package name or the application ID with the help of this command. After doing getting this, then you need to add it over here. So currently it is com.or tutorial. So I've added. Then download the config file. Okay, then save it. So after downloading the JSON file, here we have, let's add any of the package here. So I will explain you. Com.auth 2. Okay, so register this app. Then we have a download config file.json. Okay, so this is download Google you have to download this, go to the next step, then save. Okay, after this you have to go with the app. Then you have to add the Google service.json here. So I have already added in the our tutorial. We have go to Android, and here I have put in the Google services.json, right? After doing this, you need to add build dot go with the build.gradle here also the same. Open this. Here you need to mention these two things. Okay, so React need one thing, that is class path Google GSM Google services 4.3.10. Okay, after doing this you need to go with the app. Then build.gradle here also. So here you need to bypass this Google GMS Google services. In the dependencies you need to pass this line of code here. This thing you need to pass Firebase Analytics and Firebase. This is the same one. I think you should remove this one. You need to bypass this one. Firebase bomb this and this one, right? After passing this and after doing the first this one step, then you need to create a build. Okay, after doing the build, let's move to the again with the Firebase console. Let me go back. So this is my application. So you need to go to the project settings. Okay, so one issue come in the road line that the app security check something is missing. So for that you need to go to the app check. So here you have the apps, right? Then you have to go, then you have to register it. And for registering, after registering it, you need to add the SHA keys. Okay, for SHA keys we have a command, right? So you need to add the SHA key with the help of this one. This key, this will help you getting the SHA1 and SHA256 data. So you will run this command, you will get this, get the keys. After adding the both of the keys in this one, after that you need to go to the project settings. Then here you need to also add the SSA fingerprints. So you need to just paste it the fingerprints what you are getting. So I will let me this one. I have added this command, and I will getting the SSD 256 and SSD 1. After doing this, after adding this part, you are done with the Firebase. So no need to do anything. Now moving to the code level. So next we are going to the app.js. So it is basically app.js. So set mobile, confirm, set code, right? So on this auth state changed, what we have done, we have put the set the confirmation code. We have confirmed the code, like this is the code that we are using, so it's automatically set the code when the confirmation done. And after, if you are adding this one, if that, it will say that invalid code. So let's change it something, and I have already the code in the previous. So where is sign in process? Sign in, let me go to the adding this one. Okay, so where is our app.js currently? So I'm going to comment this and adding this one. This is also okay, this is auto verifying, I already show in the demo. Okay, so let me add another thing. So it is building up, right? So I'm going to sign out here. So let me add this phone number. So I'm going to add my number. So let me delete the any other code over here. So I'm going to add it. So let's add +919855599193. Sign in, sending the code. It is sending the code currently. So currently you can see that sign in with the phone number error, auth too many requests. We have blocked all the requests from this device to unusual activity, because I have already done so many authentication, and that's the reason they have sending me the auth too many requests. So let's I have another number also, but that's not working. So I think that's it for now. You can also do that the same way. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you are finding any kind of issue, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. I will help you on that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please do like, share and comment. Have a nice day.